Are you ready to take your business to the next level but need serious funding to do it? In Brics markets, venture capital is unlocking huge opportunities for entrepreneurs. If you're wondering how to access these funds, you're in the right place. Here's everything you need to know to attract venture capital and secure funding for your business. Let's jump in. This is Brics-reimagined. I am Rurik. Step 1. Understand what venture capitalists in Brics are looking for. To win over venture capitalists, you need to know their game. Unlike traditional bank loans, VC funding is all about potential for growth and high returns. They're not looking for safe, steady businesses. They want projects with exponential growth potential. This means you need to think beyond just profit. You need a plan for scaling. For example, in Brics countries like India and Brazil, there's a major focus on sectors like tech, energy, healthcare, and logistics. These sectors are in high demand due to their potential to improve infrastructure and quality of life in emerging markets. If you're in one of these sectors, highlight how your business aligns with these needs and growth opportunities. In China, the government's emphasis on green energy and sustainability initiatives is also worth tapping into. Show investors how you're not just a good idea, you're a solution to pressing problems in these markets. Step 2. Build a local network and leverage strategic partnerships. Venture capital isn't just about the numbers. Especially in Brics nations, relationships play a huge role in investment decisions. VC firms want to see that you're well connected and understand the local market. This is especially important if you're seeking funding across borders, like in Russia or South Africa. Build a network by attending industry events, engaging with local business incubators, and even working with other startups in your industry. Many venture capitalists value these connections because they lower risk. If they see you're plugged into the local business ecosystem, they'll trust your understanding of market challenges and solutions. Also, partnerships with established local businesses show that you have credibility and support within the region. Step 3. Pitch for regional impact. Highlight your Brics strategy. One way to stand out is to emphasize your plan to expand across Brics nations. Investors love seeing scalability, and in Brics markets that means tapping into multiple regions. For instance, you could present how your service or product could expand from South Africa into India or Russia. Mention any localization strategies you plan to use. Are you prepared to adapt your marketing, operations, or supply chain to the specific cultural and economic conditions in each region? A solid Brics expansion strategy can also open doors with regional VCs who prefer to back businesses with potential in multiple Brics countries, not just one. Even if you're starting in one nation, show how you plan to adapt and grow in others. Venture capitalists are drawn to these big-picture, ambitious ideas. Step 4. Make your pitch data-driven and emphasize your revenue pathway. Let's be real. Venture capitalists are investing because they want returns. Make sure your pitch includes a well-thought-out revenue pathway that is specific and backed by market data. In these markets, economic stability and political factors can impact returns, so showing how you plan to navigate these issues is key. If you're in India, show the trends in your sector with growth rates and how your business aligns with those trends. In Brazil, you might want to highlight how changes in economic policies could create growth opportunities for your business. Use local stats and projections that highlight your potential profits. When you can back your pitch with relevant data, you show venture capitalists that you understand both the challenges and potential within the Brics economies. Step 5. Get the right legal and financial advisors to structure deals. Securing VC funding isn't just about the pitch, it's also about making sure you have the right structure in place. Venture capital deals in Brics often come with terms that differ from typical contracts you might see elsewhere. Get a legal advisor who specializes in VC deals in Brics countries to ensure the terms are favorable and sustainable. Each country has unique regulations and tax implications, especially around equity and profit sharing. With the right team, you'll avoid common pitfalls and ensure that your growth is aligned with investor expectations without jeopardizing your control over your business. Advisors who understand the nuances of these deals can also help you with negotiation strategies and assist with compliance. An absolute must for retaining credibility with VC firms in these markets. Step 6. Showcase your team's local and international expertise. One of the biggest advantages you can have when pitching to venture capitalists is a strong, diverse team. Investors know that scaling a business across borders is a huge challenge, so a team with both local expertise and international experience is highly attractive. In Brics, this is especially valuable because of the diversity and complexity of each market. If your team has deep knowledge of the local economy, supply chain management, or regulatory landscape, highlight this. At the same time, showcase any international experience or cross-cultural knowledge that can help your business adapt. For example, if you're pitching to South African investors but plan to expand to Brazil, show them how your team's varied background enables you to navigate cultural and market differences successfully. Step 7. Be patient but persistent. VCs take their time. Finally, be prepared for a different timeline. VC funding in Brics nations can take longer than you might expect. In emerging markets, venture capitalists may take extra time to review the business's long-term stability and growth potential. Don't be discouraged if the process feels slow. Patience is part of the game here. Use this time to refine your pitch, strengthen your strategy, and even consider other financing options if you need short-term support. Being persistent and flexible with timing can actually work to your advantage. Venture capitalists respect entrepreneurs who stay committed and keep improving their business model while waiting. It shows you're in it for the long haul, exactly the kind of founder they're looking to invest in. Wrap up. Making your mark with venture capital. So there you have it, a complete guide to securing venture capital in Brics markets. By understanding what investors are looking for, building local networks, pitching for regional growth, and having a smart legal and financial team, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, Brics markets are rich with opportunity, and venture capitalists are eager to invest in projects that have big potential. If you found these insights valuable, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more wealth-building strategies tailored to the Brics economy. Let's go turn those visions into reality.